My name is Hannah. I go by the artist name Just Hannah Marie because it's just me. And I'm a singer-songwriter based in Cincinnati, Ohio. This is my 2026 Tiny Desk submission. And yeah, this is a song called Break the Hinges. I'm sick of standing out like a sore thumb. When will the whole hand start hurting? Breaking up boys' clubs and being a token of changes you've only been flirting with. I'm tired. I'm tired. What is the lead time on normalcy? It's almost like you're just stalling at this point. The status quo doesn't actually love you, but she has been screwing you over the whole time. The whole time. Your money, divorce from a mouth you've been yapping from. You like the idea of dreams, because that means you get to stay in bed. Your fingers secretly cross that will forget all that is possible, and yet we're finding hinges to break. To break, to break. How many pats on the back would you like for the bare minimum that's required? 'Cause your inner rooms are still looking real similar. Fresh coat of paint and a brand change. Good try, good try. Your money, divorce from the mouth you've been yapping from. You like the idea of dreams, because that means you get to stay in bed. Your fingers secretly cross that will forget all that is possible, and yet we're finding hinges to break. To break, to break. When will these biomes cease? You said they're on test with more seeds in hand. Isn't it such a chore? Digging your nails into outdated monoliths.